Chapter 3: Input and Output Devices. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define hardware, input and output. Know about different input, output and storage devices. Introduction. To know about the different parts of a computer like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. These are those physical parts of the computer that are important, but we also have more things on the computer which are very important. Can you guess what they are? Well, these are the programs, games, files, folders, etc. that we have on the computer. Hardware. All parts of the computer that we can touch or hold in our hands are called hardware. Here is a list of computer hardware that you might have seen. Skinware. Skinware is a term that is given to the outermost visible layer of a computer. It can be compared to our skin that hides the internal organs. Types of hardware. In the previous lesson, you have learned about the computer's in-process out cycle. Based on it, we can say that there are three different types of computer hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Do you know? Processing takes place in the computer's CPU, Central Processing Unit. Input devices. Parts of the computer through which we give input to the computer are known as input devices. Mouse and keyboard are the standard input devices. Other input devices include scanner, joystick, light pen, web camera, touchscreen, microphone, and many more. Pointing devices. Input devices that help us to point on the screen are called pointing devices. Mouse is the most common example of a pointing device. Mouse. Rollerball mouse has a ball inside it that lets the pointer move easily. The scroll mouse has a scroll wheel between its two buttons. Wireless mouse is one of the latest types of mouse that does not need to be connected with a wire. Other pointing devices: light pen, pointing stick, graphics tablet, joystick, trackball and touchpad are some other pointing devices. Other input devices. Scanner. Scanner is a device used to scan and input pictures or text into the computer. It works very much like a photocopy machine. There are different types of scanners. The most common is the flatbed scanner. Others include barcode reader and MICR code reader, magnetic ink character reader. Barcode reader. You might have often seen black and white stripes on most products bought from the market. These are called barcodes. MICR code reader. Sometimes characters are printed on special papers like a bank check using magnetic ink. MICR is a machine that scans magnetic ink. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. Microphone. Microphone is a device used to input or record sounds on the computer. Output devices. Monitor and its types. CRT monitors are oldest type of monitors. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. The new flat screen monitors are the LCD, liquid crystal display, LED, light emitting diode, and TFT, thin film transistor type of monitors. Do you know? LCD, LED and TFT screens look the same from outside, but they use different technologies. Speakers. Speakers give out sounds. Speakers can be internal or external. Speakers that are outside the main computer are called external speakers. Speakers that are inside the monitor are known as internal or inbuilt speaker. Printer. Printer is a device used to take printouts of our file on paper. The printouts that we get are also called hard copy. There are three types of printers that are used these days: Dot matrix printers are cheap and noisy printers. They print letters in dotted form. They are not very fast. Inkjet printers print using a jet of ink. The print quality is very good. These printers are fast. Inkjet printers are not very expensive, but the colors they use are expensive. Laser printers are the fastest and most expensive printers. Their prints are of very good quality. Do you know? Impact printers are types of printers which touch the sheet while printing. Dot matrix printer is an example of impact printer. Laser printer and inkjet are both non-impact printers. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data. CD, DVD, flash drive, Blu-ray disc, floppy disk, etc. are examples of storage devices. They are also examples of hardware. Let us recall. Physical parts of a computer which we can touch and hold are called hardware. Hardware includes input devices, pointing devices, types of input device, storage devices, and output devices. Examples are joystick, scanner, mouse, keyboard, CD, DVD, flash drive, etc. Different hardware devices are used for different purposes.